Team, so it depends whether it's a full bathroom cleaning, shower cleaning, or just a spot cleaning. You can use the Vim the bathroom cleaner to spray all the lower elevations of the showers by hand. That's where build-up starts in the shower. It always starts from the bottom. Or if you do the entire shower, then you mix the detergent with the hose water and you spray with the pump sprayer. All surfaces starting with the ceiling, upper floors, upper walls, and lower walls. Now, the areas that you tackle in the showers, there's three areas really that needs attention. The grout line, the tiles itself, or the floor itself. And we use different mechanisms to release the dirt. This is a grout brush that you can use manually by hand, and you can release it. Depends on the grout and dirt level. You use it by hand, or you can use with extension cord and edge brush. This is the edge brush. If this is some high elevation, it's easier always use with a stick, because you can use more power than just the wrist. You can use the arm to scrub it, and you can reach higher. So it's more convenient, it's quicker to do. Except the hand brush for the grouting, it's going to give you more detailed approach.